Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best wireless microphone of 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we got you covered. For more information of the product, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. At number 5 we have Inopao 80 channel dual UHF. Ideal for church, various parties, conferences, happy karaoke nights, presentations, and so on. Wireless microphone system. The wire-free design allows you to go further than you would with a wired microphone and without the cable trailing along the floor. It gives you a greater freedom of movement without getting tangled in the wire as you do so. This makes the microphone perfect for use when presenting to an audience. Working distance. The working distance of this product is about 200 to 240 feet in the wide open area. 40 selectable frequencies on each channel, up to 5 receivers and 10 mics can be work at same time. Battery life, 14 to 17 hours. Working range in wide open area, 180 to 240 feet line of sight, extra 2 XLR individual outputs and 1 mixed output. Better to have a power amplifier if you want to get a good effect. Quick manual frequency pairing to find and set the best available channel. Automatic transmitter setup. The channel of the transmitter and receiver can easily synchronize. Metal microphone kit. Unidirectional cardioid. Vocal sound quality is loud and clear. Ideal for church, small DJ/KJ stage, birthday, wedding, or family party, conference, classrooms, small karaoke night, etc. At number 4 we have Shure SLX2/SM58. The Shure SLX2/SM58 is a handheld wireless microphone transmitter compatible with the SLX4 wireless receiver. Housed in a lightweight, ABS plastic chassis, it provides up to 8 hours of continuous use on 2AA batteries, with a fixed 30mW RF power output and a transmission range up to 330. The transmitter operates on a 24 MHz UHF tuning range with 960 selectable frequencies, and quickly syncs with the wireless receiver via infrared at the touch of a button. The SLX2/SM58 comes equipped with the legendary SM58 dynamic capsule, an industry standard for vocal performers and presenters. The capsule features a cardioid polar pattern that minimizes background noise and feedback, and its brightened mid-range and bass roll-off gives you that sought-after warm and clear vocal reproduction. A 2-position gain switch lets you adjust the mix level. The interchangeable capsule design allows you to replace the SM58 capsule with a Shure capsule that's ideal for your application and simply screw it onto the transmitter, including SM86, Beta 58A, Beta 87C, Beta 87A capsules, and more. The transmitter's backlit LCD displays essential information, while the convenient programmable mute function can be locked out to prevent accidental changes during a performance. At number 3 we have Audio-Tech NICA10 ATW1102. The Audio-Technica ATW1102 System 10 is a digital wireless handheld microphone system featuring an ATWR1100 tabletop receiver. The portable system is well suited for quick setup in educational facilities, conference rooms, small venues, and houses of worship, as well as web broadcast studios. The easy-to-use system comes pre-configured at the factory, ready to operate right out of the box with no setup required. 3 levels of diversity reception and automatic frequency selection provide seamless, reliable performance with clear digital audio for presenters, lecturers, clergy, and performers. The ATW1102 includes a handheld transmitter with an integrated hypercardioid dynamic microphone capsule. The transmitter provides up to 7 hours of continuous use with 2AA batteries, at a maximum range of 100. For setups with multiple presenters, up to 8 mic channels can operate simultaneously in the same space. At number 2 we have Sennheiser EU135. The Sennheiser EU135 G3 wireless handheld microphone system with GA3 rack kit provides dependable performance for both speech and performance applications and includes a UHF diversity receiver and handheld transmitter. The transmitter and receiver synchronize channel and frequency at the touch of a button. The handheld microphone allows you to charge the optional rechargeable pack while it remains in the transmitter. The receiver's backlit display allows for easy operation under dimly lit conditions, and its user-friendly menu makes operation quick and easy. The EU135 G3 is at home in theaters, clubs, town halls, houses of worship, DJ applications, and more. At number 1 we have Shure BLX288/PG28. The most accessible wireless Shure vocal microphone for elevating sound quality combined with simple setup and an intuitive interface for performance you can trust. It picks up sound really good. The receiver is easy to pair with the microphones.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.